Hi kids! Do you know how to multiply using the repeated addition? Let's do it! In these 10 boxes, the addends will stay. Ano ba ang mga addends? Ito yung mga numbers na i-add natin. Manito. Ito ay nagbibigay ng senyales na ito ay kalahati ng 10 boxes. Ito ang first 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, pagkatapos niyan ay 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th boxes. Itong boxes na nasa ilalim, ito ay mga sum o result of addition which is called sum. Let's try to add the following numbers. What is 3 plus 3? What is 6 plus 3? What is 9 plus 3? What is 12 plus 3? What is 15 plus 3? What is 18 plus 3? What is 21 plus 3? What is 24 plus 3? What is 27 plus 3? IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.